What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP guys. After yesterday's pump, it has gone a little bit quiet. As you guys can see, no major movements. It has pumped up 0.6% and has more or less fluctuated around its current price range. However, what is next for AMP? Is it likely to pump again like it did over the last 24 to 48 hours? As you guys can see, yesterday it went up to about 160 to 70% up and has taken a little bit of a dip ever since, but compared to 3-4 days ago, it is still up at least about a good 80%. So we're going to be going through what is next for AMP. Is it time to sell it on a profit? Is it time to buy it, or is it too late? Or is it simply time to be holding on to it, and essentially covering its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, looking at what we can expect and is this a crypto still worth investing into. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as predicted, AMP is actually trading at a much higher value than the SMA indicator here in purple, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should have gone for a very minimal increase in value. Reason is very minimal is because I'm expecting AMP to keep hitting red candles over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to hit green candles in the early hours of tomorrow, making it trade at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Potentially just above 0.013 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at, but no major movements are expected. Just like the last 24 hours, it has been volatile, and that's what I'm expecting to happen over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're not looking too great. We have the blue and the orange line both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week, the crypto should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, which I also agree with, especially after the major pump that's taken place. The crypto has to more or less go for a price correction. So by mid next week, the crypto should be trading below the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting. Even towards the end of this week guys, I'm expecting more red days to come up for AMP because of the major pump that took place. There is going to be a price correction, meaning dropping below the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at by mid next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're looking way too steep. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, and they are indeed looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that took place yesterday. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks. However, that is not the case. So late April, early May, I'm expecting AMP to be hovering around just above the 1 cent target, so still at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is by late March, early April, I'm expecting it to take a drop down to around 0.006 cents. So essentially going back down to where it was trading at, and then slowly starting to gain value for most of April, May, trading around the 1 cent target is what my expectations are at the moment. However, Yes, I know we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which should essentially have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will also keep you guys updated on as much as I can once I get more analysis and data. So guys, make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April. It will most definitely have an impact on the crypto market. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we literally broke out from the red zone yesterday right up to the top tier level here without zero resistance. And when that took place yesterday, in yesterday's video, I did let you guys know, do expect the crypto to be dropping back down, at least down to the green zone over the next 24 to 48 hours, which is currently doing. It is dropping back down in value, and I'm expecting it to drop back down into the green zone over the coming day or two, and potentially back down into the red zone by late March, early April, because as you guys can see, when it broke out from the resistance levels, it did not resist a single bit, and that's the reason why I believe that the crypto, first of all, right now is not sustainable and is overvalued due to the major pump. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone down over 50% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $600 million. Yesterday, the trading volume did hit a peak of $1.5 billion, guys, due to the major pump that took place. However, ever since then, the crypto has taken a little bit of a step back in value, so most people have stopped trading it. Those people who sold it, and those people who invested into it, and a lot of people right now are just stepping back, waiting for it to either move in a positive direction or negative direction, so that they can either sell or buy the dip. So hence why the trading volume has gone down quite a lot. So over the last week, it has gained a massive 164%, most of it coming from yesterday, and over the month it has gone up a massive nearly 250%, guys, which is absolutely insane. And the crypto has gained a lot of traction in the crypto market. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting AMP to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also, are you guys bullish? And if so, are you guys buying it right now? Are you guys selling it, or are you guys simply holding on to it? Comment down below, guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.